All right, you guys, so we're gonna be changing, or we're gonna put a seal kit on the 2010 Land Rover Range Rover, and this seal kit is going to stop the whooshing noise coming from the vehicle. So we're gonna have to remove these two 13 millimeters. We're gonna open this all up and then stick the two plastics inside in order for the whooshing noise to stop. All right, so now that I removed the two 13s and the strip, you pull back on this. I'm gonna have to use both hands, but you pull back on it like this and then you take it out. Stand by. All right, so literally the part just comes out. Make sure to clean everything inside of here. That's the part. Clean the clean these plastic rings. Once you clean the plastic rings, you're gonna have to place the plastic inside of here. I'll show you when we get there. Stand by. But it's gonna be on both sides. From what I know, it is in the interior, but stand by. All right, guys. So I'm inside of the engine bay. So I'm thinking I'm gonna triple verify that this is where the part goes. I'll have to triple verify, but this is where I'm guessing it goes. Also, there's some plastic here that I just removed. Make sure you remove it, clean it. Everything's gonna be clean. So now that you got paper with some water and cleaning it, now you're gonna get the kit, open it up, and get the cleaner that it has there. I think it's made out of alcohol. The alcohol wipe, you're gonna clean it here. Once you're done cleaning it there, it also comes with an adhesive. You're gonna have to put the adhesive here on the line, and then you're gonna be good to go. Second, I'm gonna triple verify that I am installing the part correctly before I even do anything. I did this side as well. Stand by. Okay, I had to flip the camera over. I did this side as well. I'm cleaning it. So here you can see the blower inside of there. There you go. Now we have light. So I'm guessing here is where we're gonna place the part. We shall see. All right, warriors. Stand by. And it only gives you two stickers. These are gonna be the flaps. One flap. This is another flap. So we shall see. I'm gonna clean these as well. But also took off this piece. We're gonna see. All right, you guys. So it comes with the cleaner and the adhesive, or vice versa. Okay, adhesive and cleaner. So with the cleaner, you're gonna clean the outer walls, or where I showed you. Once you clean that, you're gonna let it dry, of course, and then you're gonna put the adhesive in there, and you're good to go. But this is what comes in the pack: 1, 2, 3, and 2 easy. All right, you guys, it may be hard to hear, but I put the plastic on. You can tell, you can see it. It ends right there. I put both of them on, hoping it could help. So it only has one for one side, right? So I double stacked them, and when you open up the adhesive, this is the adhesive shit that they give you. I put it on the other side. Okay, so let's stop right there. So I'm thinking, hey, if they're giving me two, I'm guessing one's for one side, one's for the other. But that's not the case because only one side's sticky. So that's why I said, hey, let me double stack them. But before I double stack them, I try to put the adhesive on this side. And when I did that, there was still an issue. Give me a second. Stupid dog. So, like I was saying, when I did the other side, the left side, or the driver's side, the adhesive didn't work. It wasn't sticking. So I'm like, you know what, fuck it. Let me just double stack it on the passenger side. So that's what I did. I think what I'm gonna end up doing is buying another one, redoing the job, but doing the other side. So double stacked on this side, double stacked on that side. But for the meantime, I'm gonna see if this helps or fixes the problem. Like I said, clean all of the plastics around it, remove them, put it back on, and we push forward from there. I'll let you guys know if the whooshing noise goes away. So, all right, you guys. So I recommend that you flip over the box for the where the air filter goes. Flip it over under the screws. Put the screws like so. Once you flip it over, you will disassemble the air box. Once you disassemble the air box, clean it, use Dawn soap, do whatever you want to do with it. Make sure it dries up, put it back together, make sure it's all clean. That way, if there's any seals that were dirty, mine were dirty, they're gonna be good to go, and you're not gonna have any more issues when it comes down to the howling or the as you're driving, right? 40, 60 miles per hour, doesn't matter. But the whole point is to make sure everything's clean, good to go, so there's no errors that we have. I'll keep you guys updated. Stand by. Weenies, we're gonna put these back how it's supposed to be. So of course, leave that shit flat. Put this next one on top. Make sure it lines up with the holes in the bottom, and then finally put this. You see these tabs right here. One tab, two tab goes in here, and you're good to go. Everything should line up. Screw everything in the back, and it should be good to go. Make sure everything's dry. All right, now that this fucker's ready to go, we're gonna put everything back. Also, make sure you put the part number, the date, and the mileage that you changed that part, so you know you're squared away next time, or whoever's fixing the vehicle next knows that that part has already been changed and cleaned, right? Or whatever. Second, don't forget to put in your filterants back inside, and then we should be good to go. So I'm gonna put it back in. I'm gonna take it for a test drive, and I'll let you guys know if it fixed the noise, right?